the old-fashioned way. We'll do it this way. I don't know what you see other than a freaking cement mixer, but there is a good view on this bridge. I videotape things at the beach now because the signal is just so horrid. I hope you're not seeing my fingers. We are driving over the Halifax River, which is the Intercoastal Waterway, with a big ass truck in our way. Oh, beautiful birds. That's the state bird of Florida. That was a swallowtail. It slipped my mind. This swallowtail plover family. I gotta look it up. Kite. Swallowtail kite. It's split. Look at this view. I mean, wow, right? It's a pellet. No, that's not a pelican. That was an old buzzard. Oh my goodness, they're building something down here. God help us. If this guy don't turn, I will. It's a pretty area. Really pretty area. This is called Living Over the Bridge. It's my dream. Looks like they had some flooding. I hadn't been watching the news. Let's go up 6th Street. That sounded like a flycatcher. A great flycatcher makes that tweet to tweet to tweet. Tweet to tweet to tweet. Almost run over a guy. Did you see that? Now these are not four-way stops, so I gotta pay attention. Okay. Okie dokie. There's the big blue. Can't wait to get a few breaths of saline in my lungs. God almighty, there's that damn cement mixer. God almighty, can't see shit. Got one that way. He's turning in. Got two that way. And we'll see what we got. Oh, got one. Can't see shit. Waves look huge. All right. We'll go on this crossover over here. All right, we're here. Put my windows up. This is going to be kind of winging it. I always wear flip-flops so I can take them off. Unplug that. God almighty, where'd all the traffic come from? Maybe they're missing the beach too. It's been so cold. Let me see. We still counting down. Oh, one more truck, and then we can get out. See behind me? There we go. Now let's turn this around. See something pretty. Got Slushed Beachfront Winery. That's cute. Got Slushed. Because I'm north of, or south of 10th, it's that. And this is like one of the biggest surfing beaches, and it is high tide. Holy crap. You seeing this, guys? Got plovers. Plovers are pretty. Look at the waves just crashing, man. I didn't even look at the weather, so it said foggy on my alert, so there's no rip currents, but I'm not gonna ever go in a water like that. That's too crazy. It's too crazy, but I'm gonna see if it's warm. Hello, avocets. All these pretty little avocets are gonna run. That's a plover. That was me making a bird noise. Go. That's a plover. There's some seaweed left over from that big old seaweed. Whoa, shit ski. Ow, now I feel my toe. The minute it sunk in the sand, now I'm limping. Yeah, this isn't gonna be much of a walk today. Hello, Avocet. Hello, birds. They're so friendly. Look how far it's breaking out there. This is a surfer beach normally, but this is nuts. My beautiful friend Elena is way across the ocean, and I think of her every day, many times. Wow, these waves are huge. These are 5-foot waves, man. Over my head. So darn pretty today. You know, the water is warm. Look at these guys, they're so cute. Oh, you're gonna get it. He's gonna get you. Oh my God. When I used to walk down in Ormond, it was the same birds every day, and they're just so friendly. They peep. Look at that. Oh my flipping God. Yikes. Sneaking up on me. Look, it went all the way up to the wall last night. That's why all those barricades were out. It went right up over the seawalls last night and down into the home housing area, but it's built that way. It's been there for, gosh, since the 60s, those houses. But this is Flagler Beach. There's the pier that doesn't have much left of it. They've already had a plan to tear it down after Matthew, Hurricane Matthew, and we got Nicole and Ian. They're fighting over the same piece of food. I'm limping. I'm not going to walk much further. My toe is feeling it. I broke my toe. Let's see if we can see it. It's this one. Whoa. Holy crap. Oh, man. Oh, man. It's coming in hard. It's coming in hard, guys. I'm just so glad I can be here. Let's see. Holy crap, I'm gonna get killed. I'll have to grab a screenshot. I don't want to mess it up. It's actually working. Oh my goodness. Let's look at something more beautiful than my ugly mug. God almighty. So, oh my God. So crazy today. I'm backing up. Wow. I haven't paid attention to the weather, so I don't know. There's got to be some storms out there or something stirring the shit up. Plus, it might be a full moonish time. It's gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh, my toe, oh, my toe, oh, my toe, oh, my toe. 8 weeks since I busted that thing, and it's still killing me. Yeah, need a force. That's going to get me. Nope, pulled back. Next one will.